Hello Chiliz Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So my friends, in this video I'm talking about the reality of Chiliz. What's the reality? What's the realistic price prediction of Chiliz, my friends? Is there is a possibility to the price pump in the future, or is there is a possibility to the price falls down in the future? Let's see, my friends. But if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, if you look the latest price of the Chiliz this time in the market, so the latest price is 0.221101 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Chiliz in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the pricing so in the Chiliz, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is negative, and last 1 week pricing is also negative, my friends. Only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, except of these the previous change occurring in the engine coin, sorry, in the Chinese coin is negative. And I'm very angry to Chinese why the price completely falls down. I'm shocked, my friends. I'm shocked. That's really a lot of people very lost in the Chinese. And in this time, in a false time after Chinese, a lot of people decide to say, so absolutely they are in the loss. When you decide to say Chinese in the negative change, so absolutely you are in the loss. And I recommend every time in every video that it's time to hold, it's time to patience, it's time to patience. And now those people who's hold at this time, now at this time Lio last 1 hour pricing is positive, so now at this time they are in the profit. Absolutely, if you are hold, so you are in the profit, and if you not, so you are in the loss. I'm sorry, my friends. Let's see the price chart of the Chiliz. My friends, as I told you that I'm very angry to Chiliz when I see this kind of price chart of the Chiliz. Especially at this time, the price is very badly falls down at this point. But my friends, when I see my friends this kind of, when I see this point of the Chiliz, so I'm feeling happy. Because in the last hour they start pumping, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Chiliz. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Chiliz? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.